Making a menu in Python. Possible duplicate, calling a function from a string with the function's name in Python. I think I could write some terrible code that would do this, but I'd much rather see the clean version. What seems the good approach to me, is to make a dict that holds the various functions that a given object can use. Then when the user is instructed to tell the object what it's doing, it spits out a menu based on that dict. I searched around a bit and didn't really see something that applied to me, so I figured I'd give it a try. Well, it didn't work. In case it isn't obvious, the program gives type error whenever I enter something which the if-else sees to be true, in this case, entering either foo or bar. Here's the thing, is that I know I could just write a big long ugly if-else thing here and make this example work, but I want to be able to just append /remove from self.cmds to alter the object's functionality. Hence the third function junk. Stick can't access junk from the current dict menu, but with a little self.cmds.append action I want it to be able to. Freaking Python. How do they work? Is this the right way to go about this, or is there a simpler method? Edit. My answer was found in the magic of Getature. Thanks CD Howie. The trick was to change the while loop to have this bit, result equals Getature self, cmd. I know now my next mission is to finally figure out what Getature actually does. Forgive my noob status, hey, I know not what I code smile. Final edit. While CD Howie's example works with the original program, I have since found that Dir's answer allows me to do things functionally that I wouldn't have been able to do with Getature. Dir's solution made it easier for me to use functions and other objects in man's init. I think that's called object composition, right? At any rate, Getature would attribute error any functions added to self.cmds from anywhere but man. Or I could just be doing it weird again. But suffice to say, Dir's FTW.
In your example, man.cmds is a list, not a dictionary. So the type error is raised when the string in the self.cmds list is called as a function. Create a dictionary with the function name as a string paired with the function itself. Within your menu function, check if the user has entered in a valid function name. If so, pull it out of the dictionary and call it. To dynamically add the junk function, you could then update CMDS.
Jo, vänta Sämor, läser sen sidor subscribing.